Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to make vanilla ice cream. It's so creamy and delicious and it was so easy to make. It actually tastes better than the one I used to buy at the store. Before we get into the video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notifications for new videos and updates. Alright, let's get into the video. For this recipe you will need 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. I think you can get this at any store actually. 1 cup of condensed milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a mixing bowl, I'm going to add the heavy cream and beat it until stiff peak forms. You know it's ready when it becomes fluffy. I think it takes about 3 to 4 minutes.